Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video, we're going to talk about free stock photos. There is no doubt that high-quality images grab attention and engage your audience. That's why we developed a free stock photo library, and we are giving away a ton of images through Unsplash. Unsplash is a super popular free stock photo site, and if you're not using it already, you really should be. We didn't reinvent the wheel here, we're just contributing a ton of images that we know are super impactful. In addition to being free to use, our images are also high resolution and professionally edited, so they look great in print or on any website. They cover a wide range of topics from business and technology to nature and travel, so there's a good chance you'll find something that fits your brand and your needs. Since we started sharing our images, they've been used on websites all over the world, including ones you've probably heard of like Fast Company. They've had millions of views and hundreds of thousands of downloads, and we're seeing those numbers grow every day. In addition to an awesome resource for people like you to use, our image library has been a great marketing and sales tool for us. In fact, we use this image library as our primary portfolio when we're trying to sell photography services. If you're looking to improve your online presence and reach your growth goals, we'd love to have a chat about where your company is headed. Book a strategy session with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with confidence. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.